agriculture sector holds the most significant place in India. Our agricultural practices were mostly based on traditional farming techniques, which subsequently yielded low output. In the mid-60s, the Green Revolution triggered large-scale tractor usage in India. At that time, the country was dependent on imported technology in the field of agricultural tractor and allied machineries. Tractors offer advantages on small farms. Compact tractors are a smaller version of utility tractors and are ideal for landscaping tasks. To meet this growing demand in 1965, Government of India entrusted the responsibility of developing indigenous technology for agricultural farming to CSIR CMERI Durgapur.
CMERI has been working in mechanization of the machines. If we look at the farmers, their tools are too old. Unless we mechanize those, give the proper benefit to the farmers, CSIR CMERI started in working in mechanization of farm tools, and tractor implements are part of that.
CSIR CMERI initiated a project for design and development of 20 HP tractor based on indigenous know-how. The institute's research team worked round the clock and successfully designed and developed a 20 HP tractor. Mechanizations is one of the essential agricultural input for the success of multiple cropping, which was possible only by opting for these machines. This developed 20 HP Swaraj tractor is most suitable for small and medium land holdings. To enhance land and labor efficiency through appropriate farming mechanization, acquiring tractors for own use is the only viable answer. But the demand kept growing for new and more sophisticated tractors for large and medium farms. Tractors are typically designed with powerful engines to run over rough terrain and pull extremely heavy loads, making them effective in tough farming. CSIR CMERI took up the challenge and developed 35 HP tractor called Sonalika and released the know-how to Messrs International Tractors Limited, Hoshiarpur, for commercialization in the year 2002. It is today one of the most popular tractors in the country, with a single tractor being made in barely 2.5 minutes. The demand is increasing and it is even being exported to other countries. One of the major concerns was to provide marginal farmers the access to modern tools so that they can also grow more crops. To empower these Indian small farmers, Krishi Shakti, a small-range diesel engine tractor, was designed and developed by CSIR CMERI Durgapur. This was launched on the 20th of November 2014. Being in the budget of low price, the demand of this tractor in India is estimated to be approximately 30,000 per year. This will help in generating employment opportunities at production factories of this tractor. This venture also provided opportunities for entrepreneurship to vendors in and around the production centers at different cities.
The small tractor is attractive, and because of small size, it can cultivate small lands.
I realize that the small tractor is as efficient as a big tractor. However, it is much cheaper and poor farmers can afford to buy.
Technology brings the excitement, helps look into the future, and make us brave enough to try to shape it. CSIR CMERI has shown that we have the capability and know-how to support the aspirations of the country.